Okay. So here we are in the middle of our conversion entry. So here we are. If we had originally 431 and we have 106 left in inventory, how many items do we sell?
325.
325 items. Now in this case, what is my costing method to cost out my inventory for
Average.
its weighted average,
Weighted
okay?
average.
So in this case, I need to solve for what 325 items is. Now in this case, if my goods available is 431 at 1569.96, right? What is my average cost per item here?
Let me see, I did it before. 36, let me do it again. That's all H.
Yeah,
Close
go for it.
everything. I close everything. Keep closing. So keep closing. Okay, let's see. So we have 1569.96 divided 431. So we have a 364 to 6. 64, all right.
But in this case, we're going to expand this out, so it's going to be the long number. Okay.
3.64 to 5.986. So we have a 1,183 and 85 cents. 84. Yep.
835. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Yep.
835 gives you 84.
Minus 1569.96 through 386, 12 or 11, 12.
Mm-hmm.
That's all.
Mm-hmm. So now how do I do the conversion entry?
So the ending inventory.
Ending inventory. So what is my inventory that I am putting in?
And 386 and 12 cents.
In this case, what account? There's no such thing as ending inventory, is there?
Oh, inventory, or we put it coffee mats. I don't know. Coffee mats?
Coffee mugs?
Yeah, coffee mats. Oh, coffee cups. What's that exactly? Is there cups, right? No,
Go ahead and look at your chart of accounts.
Ceramic coffee mats.
Ceramic coffee mugs. What account is that?
It is 1250. 12050.
Okay.
Yeah. Show cost of goods sold, no?
Cost of goods sold what?
Good question, I forgot. Ceramic coffee mat.
Good. So COGS, ceramic coffee mugs. Okay. Account number?
So it is account 5150.
5100. 50. 150. Okay. And what else do we need to recognize?
Do we need to recognize anything else? The beginning inventory.
Do we have beginning inventory?
106. No, that's the ending.
That's ending inventory.
Nope. No.
Okay.
I know we're missing something, but I don't know what else.
We are missing a lot of stuff.
A lot of stuff.
Yes. Okay. What else are we missing? How do you convert from an expense to inventory?
Oh, we have to put the freight too.
Freight.
Okay.
What else?
Mm-hmm. And purchase expense? No, something like that? No. No, I mixed there. I don't know.
No, you're right. Purchase expense and freight expense.
But still missing something.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what.
It's okay. If you can't figure it out now, let's just do the journal entries and or just compute the numbers, and then we'll figure out what the difference is.
We'll figure out what's.
Mm-hmm. So in this case, what is the total value? Okay, so purchase expense. What account number is that? It's at 6,100.
Purchase expense. Okay, let's see.
61,000. And then freight expense is 6,300.
Yes.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So let's start with the first one. What was the total value of my ending inventory?
Uh, 386 and 12 cents.
Okay. What was the total cost of goods sold?
1,183 and 84 cents.
So 1183.84.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Now the purchase expense is 1,569 and 96.
Say that again.
1,569 and 96.
That includes freight. What is
yes,
just the
I
purchase
already know
price?
that. So 1,092 and 20 cents.
And then 500
And
for freight.
500.
Okay. Now in this case, if I do my equal sum,
It is not equal.
yes, it's not equal. What am I missing?
How much is the amount?
So right now I have 1569.96 and I have 1592.20.
Purchase, return, and it can be purchase, return, and that's the difference, no?
Yep.
So after the cost of goods sold, we have a purchase, return, and
Good. Purchase, good. Purchase returns and
an
allowances.
allowance. Ouch. That one. 420, no, 12.99. How much it was? 22.24.
22.24. So now are we even now at 1592.20?
Mm-hmm.
Good. So what account number is purchase returns and allowances?
Purchase return 61,500.
61,500.
There we go. Now we have it.
Okay.
Shashk. Yeah, I forgot.
Okay, so what's your comment here? What's the description here?
Sales, I don't know. Inventory, I don't know.
Okay, so you could say right here,
Purchase,
conversion entry.
conversion entry. Oh, conversion entry.
Okay. For
ceramic coffee mix.
good. Okay.
I forgot. That's bad. I know more or less what's going on there, but I forgot.
No worries,
Yeah.
okay? So that means our inventory worksheet is completely done. You don't need it anymore. So save, and you can close out your inventory worksheet.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? I'm going to keep it just in
Okay.
case. So here's my journal. So what do I do after the journal?
Ledger.
The ledger. So in this case, ledger, I'm going to go to
Ceramic coffee mugs.
ceramic coffee mugs. Okay, so under inventory, here we are, ceramic coffee mugs. Okay, it's 630. You can write conversion entry here.
And conversion. Okay. No ending inventory. No ending
You could no,
inventory.
yeah. Conversion entry, ending
Inventory.
balance
Balance.
106 mugs. Okay. And then you could put comma sold sold 325 mugs. Okay. Whatever you want to say.
Mm-hmm.
Reference is general journal number 22, right? Because we're still on 22.
22. 22?
Yep.
22. Yeah.
Yep, we're still on 22.
21. And we have 383, 86 and 12 cents.
3
86, 12.
and 12 cents. Okay. Good. Okay. Now we need to update our cost of goods sold account.
Mm-hmm.
Cost of goods sold, which, let me see, cost of goods sold ceramic coffee mugs, right? This is, you could say the same thing here. 630.
We have a conversion.
And then you could say sold 325 mugs, because that's all we really care about for the cost of goods sold. Okay, post reference.
That's at 22. Now we have 1,183 and 84.
1183.84.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have to go to our purchase returns and allowances.
Allowances. Shoot, I hate this word.
No worries.
Okay. This isn't going good. So we have 9 coffee mugs. Now we close the account, no?
We're closing the account. So in this case, we are going to debit $22.24. So then this account becomes 0. Good. All right. Next one is we're going to convert our purchase expense. So once again, here you go. 30, conversion entry.
So we have 1,092 and 20 cents. Yep.
So that will bring my account balance to 0. And then last but not least, we have our freight expense. So freight.
It's supposed to be the same.
Conversion entry.
Conversion entry. Oh.
All right. In this case, we're crediting $500.
And we are 0. Closing that.
Okay, so if you remember my analogy, right, where I said when we do the conversion entry, you're going to literally take all the inventory that's in the bucket for purchase expense and freight expense, and you're going to dump them into ending inventory, cost of goods sold, and returns and allowances, right? So that's what you're doing. You're taking everything that's in these accounts and you're zeroing them out.
Just on the periodic or the perpetual job?
Just periodic. Because perpetual, we already know.
It is once in a... It's all the time.
Yes.
just all the time. But
okay. All right. So then...
Actually, yes. That's a silly question.
So we complete our conversion entry. Once again, no individuals were involved in our conversion entry. So we are done with this one. Okay.
What does that mean? No individual? I don't understand.
As in, nobody was involved, right? Did you involve a customer? Did you involve a vendor or an employee when doing the conversion entry? So the basic question is, do you need to use your subsidiary ledger?
Oh, no, we don't.
No, we don't. No, we don't. So that's it.
Ah, that's that was the question I didn't understand.
Okay.
Okay.
So now we are going to exercise the cost of materials. So here shows me how much of each business supply we used. Oop. Okay. So
Okay.
for the medium coffee cups, I sold 5,297 cups at 5.42 cents each, which gives me a total of $2,806.70. So I used 5,297 cups. For the large cups, I used $4,331 or 31 cups at 8.12 cents. So therefore, it gave me a grand total of $351.63 that I used. Okay. Sugar, I used 120 pounds. So therefore, it was 36 cents a pound. So therefore, I got rid of $43.20. And then for the coffee creamer, right, I used 22 cases. So therefore, it was $16.99 for the cases per case. So I used up $359.26 worth of coffee creamer. Now,
Yes.
how do I adjust my business supplies?
I don't know. How do you?
Well, in this case, what am I calculating here?
That's what I don't know. What did you have the cost
Cost of what?
of the material?
Cost of
That is,
material. Okay, so let's
oh,
take a look at my chart of accounts. Do I have a
the
cost of
accounts. Yes.
material account?
Yes, you do.
Yes, we do. And an expense
Okay.
account, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Let me see. So the cost of materials, because the medium coffee, you have to one by one.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, cost of medium coffee cups or large coffee cups. Okay. Cost of material of sugar and the creamer. Now the cost of material that you sold, did you totalize what we did before, or what is come from?
Well, I mean, if you take a look
It's
at your ledger,
it's
right, you kept track of all the cups that you sold, right?
uh-huh.
That's where that number came from.
So it's supposed to be the same like the account of the coffee cups and
Okay, so how do you
how did you get to
how,
these numbers?
which numbers? The 500
The, yeah,
5,297?
yes, all of this. So you totalize all what we did now, all of this week, and then
So
the
if
same
I
thing.
go to my revenues, right? This is what I did on the side, so you didn't have to do any of it, right? I calculated out of
Oh, you
all my
totalize all of them
all my medium cups, how many cups did I sell here?
together.
Mhm. How many large
I
cups
told you
did I
about.
sell?
Oh, you got it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so we have
Excuse
this.
me. Thank you. Okay?
Mm-hmm. And you have a record, or you just take it from the journal or from the ledger that you write the comment how many caps you're supposed to have a record of this separate of how many units you sold and everything, or just on the ledger and on the journal.
It's just on the it's on the ledger.
Just on the ledger, you have a record from the what you
Yeah.
sell, and you don't have to have anything separate that you write all of the purchase, all of those sales.
Well,
No,
okay.
just the
So under the sales, right? I recorded that I sold this many cups, right?
you write a yes, you write a note that you sold all of those cats, but
Okay.
you have to have a record separate that you write that all the time that you at the end of the day how many you write, how many you sell.
It's in my ledger.
I know. That's a
So you're
that's
saying you're asking me, do I
something
have a separate one?
separate something that you record manually how many caps you sold all day every day.
It's up to you. Again,
Mhm.
if you're the person that's in charge of sales, then yes, that would be very good that you keep a track record of how many cups that you sold,
Mm-hmm.
right? In this case, I put it in my ledger. Okay, if the ledger's not enough, then yes, you can do a separate like Excel spreadsheet saying, well, I bought 2,000 cups here, and I sold this many cups today, and that many cups that day, and that many cups that day. So in this case, yes, it's up to you if that makes sense to you to have a
Kind of
another one.
inventory.
But in
Kind of
this case,
inventory.
right, I'm not going to expect you to know how many cups that you sold, right? So in this case, I
Mm-hmm.
did it for you,
Okay. I
okay?
just
And the cost per item is something I figured on my own for you so that you don't, because you're not in charge of that,
mm-hmm.
okay? All your job is to
You're
do is
just
just to
supposed to have
record.
it to record. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
I just curious what is going on.
Yeah. And then, of course, when we put in our ledger, we'll make a note, right, of how many cups we had and then how many you sold.
Mm-hmm.
So in this case, if I'm going to use cost of materials to represent how many cups I used, where is it going to be coming out from?
The cost of from the ledger, no?
Well, I meant like what accounts are you going to be taking cost of
Oh,
materials for the medium
cost of
cup?
you have the cost of material medium coffee cups, the large one, the sugar, the creamer, and
What's my
cost of materials.
cost?
Cost of,
Okay, so that's cost of material. All of those are
yeah,
cost of materials, right? Because I
yeah.
got rid of them, right? What
Mm-hmm.
account am I adjusting?
Your inventory.
This
No,
is not inventory.
that's the inventory. That's the sales.
No, not sales.
You, bank account.
Not a bank account. You're not. You're. This is something you already spent money for.
Purchase. Purchase expense? No.
No, this is not
No.
inventory.
But I don't know.
Okay. So if I bought coffee cups, what account
Yeah.
did I put it in? If I bought medium coffee cups, what account did I put it in?
Oh, coffee. You call it ceramic of no. I can't remember anything.
Okay, so if I bought
I'm blanking
sugar,
right now.
if I buy
Yeah.
sugar, what account did I put it in?
Sugar.
You put in your sugar
Sugar
account,
account.
right?
Yeah.
If I'm calculating the cost of materials saying I used
Medium coffee cups.
120 pounds of sugar, where am I taking it out from?
The sugar.
You would take it out of the
From
sugar
the sugar.
account. Correct. So in this case, what
You
accounts am I going to
answered.
be taking it out from?
Medium coffee cups.
Yes, we're going.
Coffee cups.
We're going to take it directly out from my business supplies account, which again, medium coffee cups,
Cups.
large coffee cups.
Sugar and creamer.
Yes.
Now I understand.
Okay, sugar and creamer, right? Because in this case, that's the account that we use to say that we bought it. Now that we used it, right, your account can't reflect that. You have to take it out from the account. Okay. So again, let's start with the cost of materials. Cost of materials for the medium coffee cups. What account number is that?
It is 51,200. And we have 51,250, 51,300, and 51,350.
Okay. And then our 11,760. 11,765.
11,770 and 75. 770 and 7. Yep.
Okay.
Mhm.
So in this case, I've already calculated it for you. When we sold 5,297 cups, it cost me a grand total of
286 and 70 cent.
good. So 286 and 70 cents. Okay, which we know that's the same amount that we're going to take out
That we have
from
it, yeah.
our medium cups.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yep.
What about my large cups?
351.63 and 43.20. 359.26.
359.26.
359.26.
Okay.
Mhm.
All right.
So this is the cost of materials. So
To adjust the cost of materials sold. Good. Okay.
this is the journal, right? So we have to do the ledger too, no?
Mm-hmm. So in this case, we're gonna go to
The cost of materials from the medium.
cost. So in this case, that's gonna be under cost of goods sold for cost of materials. Here you go. Cost of materials for the medium cups.
Cups. Unit sold 5,297
Okay.
unit cups. 22 for 286 and 70.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. So we have the large one, 4,000. We sold 4,331 caps. For 351 and 63 cents.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. The sugar, is 120 pounds for 43.20. Mm-hmm. And 22, we sold 22 cases for 359 and 26.
Hold on. We used 22 cases. Creamer. Okay. 22
12,
for how much?
359.26.
359.26. Okay. Good.
Mm-hmm. That's all.
Yep. Then we need to adjust our business supplies because we no longer have these amounts, right? Here's the first one. Okay, so here you go. You can write as much details as you'd like in here. Okay, so in this case, we sold
Adjustment. We sold 5,297.
cups, right? So how much do we have
Mhm.
remaining? We have a total of 7,000.
7,000 we have. Let me see. I cannot do it. 7,000 minus 5252, 97, 1,703.
Okay, general journal
Mhm.
22.
And
2867.
6,
286.
yes, 28670.
So how much should we have left?
Don't know. 0? What's what?
Well, I
Oh.
still have 1,730 left.
378.87 minus 286. I don't know. I block 7. 90 to 17.
Good,
Yeah, now
927.
it's good.
Good. Okay.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
out.
So again,
Um,
sold
how much? 4,331.
4,301 cups.
No, yeah, how many we sold before? Okay, so 351.63. So we have still have. Are you calculating how many cups?
Two.
Okay,
Okay.
so 1, 2, 6, 7,000. Okay, let me see. 1 second. 116.7. So we have a 7,000 minus 4,331 is 2,669. Yep.
And you sold for $351 and
$2 is 63 and is
63. Yeah, 63.
yes 63
Okay.
and it is 216 and 70 cents.
Good. Right. Sugar.
Sugar we sold 680, 60 pound. No, we still remaining for 43.20, and we have 21.60.
Okay. Good. And then the creamer.
So we have 30, 33, 33.
Uh-huh.
So we still have 8 and 3, 11. Yep. 359.26. 179.63. Okay, 359 and 26.
For how much?
179.63.
176. Okay. Good. All right. So we adjusted our business supplies. Okay. So I'm gonna stop here. We're gonna take a break real quick. Okay. In this case, let's see. Right now, it is
3